now dye my hair.
Hi, my name is Can you dress me up? Hi, my name is Amy. Hey, can you do my makeup? Very nice. Now apply the eyeliner, please. Mascara for a false lash effect. Find the perfect eyebrow shape for me. Wow, and finally, change the color of my eyes. Fabulous! City must see this. Hi, my name is Amy. Can you dress me up? Gorgeous! Hi, my name is Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this natural looking makeup. Let's create my style together. Welcome back to my channel. Let's create my style together. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing this natural-looking makeup. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, babes. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Pick one of the tools and create a perfect hairstyle. Hey, babes. Thanks. Welcome back to my channel. My hair is a mess. I really need a hair mask. We will need coconut oil, banana, honey, and milk. Put the coconut oil, honey, and milk into a bowl. Drop in a few bananas and blend everything together. Great! Now apply a hair mask on dry hair. And wait for 10 minutes. It's time to wash it. rinse it thoroughly. Super! Now let's dry it and see the result. That's it. Just brush it and enjoy your smooth hair. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to my channel. Let's create my style together. Nice. You got... You look great. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. It's time to take a bath, Maggie. Hello. Take a hair. You look beautiful, Maggie. Hello. Can you dress her up? Oh, what? Hello. Let's make a smoothie for Maggie. Turn it on. Put a cap on it. What's your bonus coins? Hello. Hey, my name is Sydney. Which one to choose? Can you trim my hair? Let's make my hair curly. Now, let's add some color. Which one to choose? Let's make my hair curly. Turn it on. Ooh. Can you brush it? Now, let's add some color.